Hey guys, are you want to buy best RGB PC case fans? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best RGB PC case fans that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Thermalright RGB PC Case Fans, the M12Q ARGB cooling fan kit is a perfect blend of performance, style, and convenience for any PC build. Designed with simplified cable management, each fan cluster requires just one cable, reducing clutter and making custom fan installation straightforward. Built with high-quality SFDB bearings, these fans minimize blade shaking and noise, ensuring quiet operation while delivering powerful cooling when needed. Automatic 4-pin PWM speed control adjusts fan speed based on motherboard temperature, optimizing performance and extending the fan's lifespan. The standout feature is the ARGB mirror lighting effect. The infinite frame design with distributed ARGB lines creates vibrant, dynamic lighting that enhances any build's aesthetics, offering multiple phantom color effects in sync with airflow. Versatile in application, the M12Q fans can function as case fans or in tandem with CPU coolers to efficiently dissipate heat. Each kit includes 3 fans and 1 connecting cable, making it ideal for cases, CPU air coolers, and water coolers. For larger setups, additional cables are available separately. This kit delivers both high performance and stunning visual appeal. Now our second product is AsiaHorse RGB PC Case Fans. The reversed blade ARGB fan kit is a perfect combination of performance, aesthetics, and user-friendly design. Each package includes 3 reversed blade fans with a controller, designed to intake air while showcasing the stunning infinity lighting effect. Installation is effortless thanks to the unique interlocking connectors. Just one cable per fan cluster reduces cable clutter and keeps your build clean. The included RGB controller supports a high-sensitivity wireless receiver, allowing the fans to sync with music. Dynamic lighting responds to surrounding sounds, creating an immersive visual experience that grooves to the beat. Built for longevity, these fans feature hydrodynamic bearings that reduce friction and keep noise levels below 29.2 dB at full load, ensuring stable, quiet, and durable operation. With PWM control, fan speed ranges from 800 to 2000 revolutions per minute and 68.5 CFM airflow per fan, providing efficient cooling for demanding setups. The forward and reverse blade design not only maximizes airflow but maintains a sleek, symmetrical appearance from any angle, combining beauty with high performance. Our third product is Corsair RGB PC Case Fans. The Corsair RX series RGB fans deliver exceptional cooling performance with customizable aesthetics, making them ideal for high-performance PC builds. With PWM-controlled speeds up to 2,100 revolutions per minute, each fan provides up to 74.2 CFM airflow, ensuring your system stays cool even under heavy loads. Featuring 4.38 mm H2O static pressure, these fans excel at pushing air through high-density radiators or tight spaces, maximizing thermal efficiency. The vivid RGB lighting, powered by 8 LEDs invisible through the side window of the frame, adds a striking visual element to your setup. Installation is simplified with the included iCUE link bridge connectors, allowing you to connect multiple fans into a single synchronized bank controlled via the iCUE link system hub with just one cable. Corsair's AirGuide technology further enhances cooling by directing airflow precisely to your hottest components, reducing hotspots and improving overall system performance. Combining high static pressure, vibrant lighting, and intelligent airflow, the RX series fans are perfect for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both style and efficiency. Now number 4, Lian RGB PC Case Fans. The Unifan SL Infinity wireless fans combine top-tier cooling performance with stunning RGB aesthetics, making them perfect for high-end PC builds. Featuring 3 independently controlled light zones, these fans deliver mesmerizing visual effects that can be fully customized for a unique look. Equipped with a redesigned wireless receiver and 4-pin cable, installation is simple and compatible with 12V PWM motherboards. The advanced 2.4 GHz wireless control eliminates cable clutter, allowing you to daisy-chain multiple fans while managing speed and lighting seamlessly. Performance-wise, the fans operate quietly thanks to fluid dynamic bearings, reaching a maximum speed of 2,300 revolutions per minute and airflow between 67 to 69.7 CFM, reverse blade, while maintaining noise levels of just 29.2 to 32.2 dB. This ensures efficient cooling without distracting noise, ideal for gaming or workstation setups. The L-Connect 3 software provides complete control over fan speed, RGB presets, and light zones, giving you the freedom to achieve both optimal performance and a visually striking setup. The modular design also supports tidy cable management for a clean build. And our last choice is Jungle Leopard RGB PC Case Fans. The Jungle Leopard Galaxy 120 fan is a high-performance PC cooling solution designed for both efficiency and aesthetics. Its daisy-chain slide-in and pin-to-pin interlocking mechanism simplifies installation. Only one cable per fan cluster is needed, reducing clutter and saving setup time. This design keeps your chassis interior clean and organized, giving your build a polished look. Performance-wise, the Bionic-inspired fan blades generate strong airflow with up to 62.36 CFM, efficiently dissipating heat while keeping noise levels low at less than or equal to 29 dBA thanks to 8 damping pads that minimize resonance and wear. The fans support 5VA RGB synchronization, compatible with major motherboard manufacturers, allowing full customization of up to 16 million colors. Combined with PWM intelligent temperature control via the 4-pin interface, fan speeds automatically adjust between 800 to 2000 revolutions per minute based on CPU temperature, optimizing cooling while conserving energy and reducing noise. Overall, the Jungle Leopard Galaxy 120 fan offers a perfect balance of performance, silent operation, and vibrant RGB lighting, ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both functionality and style. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.